Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down essential home maintenance tips to keep your living space safe and healthy. Today, we're diving into how to check a house for mold in 2025. With rising awareness about indoor air quality, mold can be a sneaky threat that affects your health and home value. So, let's get straight to it. I'll walk you through simple, effective steps you can follow right away. First off, start with a visual inspection. Grab a flashlight and scan areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and basements where moisture builds up. Look for black, green, or white spots on walls, ceilings, or even hidden spots like under sinks. If you see any discoloration, that's a red flag. Next, trust your nose. Mold often gives off a musty, earthy smell, especially in damp areas. If your house has that locker room odor, it's time to investigate further. Don't forget to check for water leaks or high humidity spots, as these are prime breeding grounds for mold. Now, for a more thorough check, grab some basic tools. A moisture meter is your best friend. It measures dampness in materials. Aim for readings under 15% in dry areas. You might also use an at-home mold test kit, which you can pick up at any hardware store. These kits usually involve swabbing surfaces and sending samples for lab analysis. Safety first, always. Wear gloves, a mask, and eye protection to avoid inhaling spores. If you find extensive mold, say, more than 10 square feet, don't DIY it. Call in professionals to handle removal safely. In 2025, with advanced tech like smart humidity sensors, you can prevent mold before it starts. Remember, early detection saves money and health hassles. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more home tips. See you next time.